Hello and welcome to this video on artificial intelligence, or AI for short. If you're new to the topic, don't worry, we'll explain it in a way that anyone can understand. At its core, artificial intelligence is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. They use complex algorithms and data analysis to process information and make decisions. One way AI is used in the real world is for analyzing data. Businesses and organizations can use AI to identify patterns and trends in large amounts of data, helping them make better decisions. AI can also be used to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, some cars use AI to help them drive themselves, and some robots can recognize and respond to human speech. So why is artificial intelligence important? Well, it has the potential to solve complex problems, automate tedious tasks, and even help us better understand our world. Scientists are using AI to help them make new discoveries in fields like medicine, physics, and astronomy. In summary, artificial intelligence is all about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. It has a wide range of applications and is changing the way we live and work. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about artificial intelligence.